Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Nida. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today our topic is types of deposit accounts. Please follow, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Fixed deposit, saving deposit, recurring deposit, current account deposit. Fixed deposit. Deposits with the bank is for fixed period of time. Principal is repayable on expiry of the term, also known as term deposit. Deposit period 3 to 6 years. Non-cash reserves to be maintained. High rate of interest. Rate of interest. After October 1997, banks were permitted to change their own interest rates. Interest to be paid according to the schedules in the Act. Interest rate varies from bank to bank, depends upon the amount and period of deposit. Period of deposit. Minimum period of deposit was reduced to 7 days from April 1997. Maximum period 5 to 10 years. Payment of interest. Interest may be paid quarterly or half yearly or on the request of the depositor. It is based on half yearly rests or quarterly rests. Amount is credited to the depositor's saving or principal AC. Withdrawal is not permitted through checks. Fixed deposit receipts. It is a document of title. Features. Not a negotiable instrument. Cannot be transferred by mere endorsement. Cannot be transferred by mere endorsement. Duly assigned and given to the bank. No checks can be drawn. FDR signed by the depositor and presented by third party banker to get letter of authority. Amount can be claimed by court's order or if FDR is lost. Amount due can be attached by court. No stamp to be fixed if the depositor is the prospective claimant. FDR is concerned with donatio mortis causa. Joint FD repayable to all or to one person. Limitation period according to conditions printed on back of the receipts. If FDR is lost, destroyed duplicate receipts. Indemnity bond. Saving deposit. Meant for personal savings. Interest rate is less than that of FD. Until 24/10/2011, interest rate 4%. Restriction on withdrawal. Number of withdrawal is 50 for 6 months. Minimum withdrawal amount through checks 5 from 1. Restriction on deposit. Checks and other instruments payable to third parties cannot be used. Minimum balance. Banks prescribe their limit, usually 500 and 1000. Repayment of interest calculated quarterly or longer rest on the minimum balance calculated between 10th and 31st of every month. Interest is credited twice in a year. No frills bank account. Recently introduced accounts are opened with nil balance, provide banking facility to all sections of society. Aadhaar enabled bank accounts. Accounts opened under Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act. Recurring deposit. Also known as cumulative deposit, fixed amount of money is deposited every month, multiples of 100. Rate of interest is similar to FD. Monthly installments to be made before the last working day of the month. Maturity period of the deposit 6 to 120 months. Default: if depositor closes AC before maturity, bank pays no interest for deposit less than 3 months, 1.56%, or 6 months, 4% for 12 months. Accumulated amount with interest is paid after a month of payment of last installment. Current account deposits introduced for business purpose. No restriction on number amount of withdrawal deposits to be paid on demand. Demand liability of the banker. No interest is given. Privileges: third party endorsement checks can be deposited for collection. With withdraft overdraft facility, loans and advances are given characteristics: no cash handling by the customer, bankers collect checks, etc. Regional rural banks RRB may pay 0.5% interest below borrowing rate fixed for RB from May 1983. Interest is paid at saving AC rate for decades deposited from date of death till payment to legal heirs. Savings plus auto sweep facility. Surplus amount in savings AC is converted to term deposits, earns interest at a high rate, provides liquidity. Minimum balance of savings AC 5000. Auto sweep may be weekly or monthly. Reverse sweep facility equal withdrawal is made in multiples of thousand through checks, ATMs, etc. At the end, please follow, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.